forging your path. Embrace the warrior within. What if every meal could be a step towards legendary strength? I still remember the sound of rustling gear as we prepared for a mission, the taste of the MRE, cold, bland, and functional, reminding me that what we put into our bodies matters, especially when the stakes are high. Deep in the field, with nothing but the essentials, I learned that nutrition isn't just about eating, it's about fueling your body and mind for whatever lies ahead. That's why I became so committed to mastering meal prepping, not just as a survival skill, but as a way to thrive, even under the toughest conditions. Start your warrior journey today and feel the transformation. Increased energy, sharper focus, and a newfound resilience that can carry you through the toughest days. This isn't just another meal plan. It's a lifestyle forged in the fires of military discipline and tempered by the wisdom of ancient warriors. Imagine starting your day with the same kind of meal that fueled Spartan soldiers, giving you the strength and clarity to face whatever challenges come your way. What sets WarriorMed Fitness apart is this unique blend of historical inspiration and modern nutritional science, creating a guide that's as practical as it is powerful. In our community, you'll find a tribe of warriors just like you, people who understand that the journey isn't just about physical strength, but mental resilience too. I remember one member who joined our community forum after struggling to stay consistent with meal prepping. With the support and guidance of others, they not only mastered the basics, but became a go-to source of encouragement for new members. That's what WarriorMed Fitness is about, lifting each other up so we can all rise stronger together. So gear up. This isn't just about following a diet or learning a few new recipes. This is about adopting a lifestyle, one that's rooted in the strength, discipline, and resilience of the warriors who came before us. Take the first step today and transform your life with WarriorMed Fitness. And as you take this journey, remember, you're not alone. We're in this together, every step of the way.